Let's go, people. Back on the third pack now of the Black Bolt. And let's see what we get today. If you didn't see yesterday, I had the Excadrill Ultra Rare, or Full Art, whatever you want to call it. Now, on to today's packs. Let's go. Pack. Mimikyu, Clang, Solosis, Fennel, Among Us, Seismitoad, Pokeball, Clang Reverse, and a Kyurem EX. And a cold card. We'll take a Kyurem EX today. A hit's a hit, as we do.
Do not forget to like and subscribe to see what we get in the next pack in the next video.